Yeah, hello everyone. Everyone is waiting for some big move, but will it come? Yeah, so let's see what. So again, on the left hand side, again Nifty is only open, and so this is the main model that we every day follow. So the right hand side you have the main model, model 1, and here you have model 5 as well below, and you have the cash market sentiment indicator. And on the left hand side it's 15 seconds chart, be careful about that. And these are very high frequency trades. So this is model. So one is model 4, so this is model 3 that we are using, and this one is model 4 that we are using here, model 4. Yeah, thanks for the waiting. Like, yes, so I also have my own work which I have to complete. So that's why I sometimes like start the live stream, because might be like helpful for many traders, because I don't like it's all like straightforward on the screen. So, and I also got many comments in the past that like just keep the HFT open, you don't have to come live also, like we just need the screen live. So that's why I like make the live earlier, and then when I get time, like I come on live. So the left hand side that you see, like the very high frequency ones. So for that you have to like keep a one button like if you are doing manually, so you have to keep a one button entry exit. Otherwise, I mean, you go and try to punch orders, like I mean, 2 to 3 candles will be over there easily. So we have on our screen model 1, model 5, and there model 3 and model 4. So only model 2 is not here. in model 5 we have some call buyers there. Let's see, in M5 there are call buyers. Let's see. Let's see Bank Nifty. even on an expiry day, like if you go in the money and get 10 to 20 points to scalp with this move easily, like good afternoon. Yeah. Hi, Amit ji. Yeah. Hi, Alok. I'm fine. How are you all? So again, at least for this reversal, like, I mean, don't forget to put a like at least. So again, if you think the indicator is worth it, yeah, thanks, sir. Like you can see, like every movement and everything are like, I mean, is being captured. Like, yes, not everything. Like, I should change my word. So almost everything. Yeah, so there can't be anything in the stock market that is 100% correct. So it's only about increasing the probability of the win. Again, some put buying has happened here, right there, and just like on model one also we are getting the call writing. But yes, wait for the candle to close, because if the candle is open, it's still thinking. Uh, Sir, both the charts on the left are of 15 seconds in no, yes, the chart is of 15 seconds, but this one, as I showed, like to the uh, at most left one is like model 3. So here, if you see, uh, this is model 3 M3. So out of the 5 models, and this is model 4, the next one. This is model 4. Can you increase width of both of them? Okay, increasing width. The other I said 25,500 on yesterday, and it was showing heavy put writing on that. Can you? No, don't go that much in the money. Like we are at 25,100 or 25,000. So don't go that in the money. Like then like the analysis won't work. Okay, so yes, Pranam boss. Uh, can you please explain a little how we can use the HFT in 15-second time frame? Yes, explaining. So yes, Punendu ji, don't use it like on very like deep in the money. Because what happens is it calculates that deep in the money, and so mostly the positions are taken like ATM, and that's why like try to keep near to ATM. Yeah, increasing width. So I hope now you can see. So the 15 seconds time frame, like uh, you can use it like if you are trading with very high frequency. Okay, otherwise you can just keep it as analysis, like short is happening and so there should be a slight fall. So these are, I mean, very high frequency, like you can very well see that the fall won't be that much, and so with some fall they can leave, like they will take their profits and leave. So maybe you can use it for your analysis purpose or anything, but until unless you are, I mean, very high frequency trader or something, so like for that you have to have one button. I mean, if in one button you have to take your position and close them if you are doing it manually. I mean, there are scalpers in the market who scalp for 1 or 2 points. Like here we can see that in model 3 there is like selling at right at the top there, and also here some model 1 put buying is there, so like that you can use it. Like you can expect a short term fall, so if you want to scalp. Like even if you see this model 4 or 3, so these like where so now also, like if you see here, you won't understand like there are red, green, everything, so you would get confused. So and previously there were many red, greens like side by side. So so those noises were reduced like a lot. So I mean, if you go and check out the video which I posted like while I release the update on this, so this quantum flash HFT, so I showed every model there, like, so go and check out that time how these models M4 and M5 M4 and M3 they were behaving. So we have reduced the noise further, and also like come up with this buy and the sell thing. So it was not that easy, like with all these like very very highly frequency, so picking out the best ones. So that was the that was a like difficult job. So yeah, it took me around 2 months to get it done. So there were many like who were asking for a very long time that we need this, and so that's where I was stuck for a long time, and then finally got it done. Yes, I mean now the full system is ready. Like to like we have semi-automated it. Like now we just have to finally get into the automation part, and like automating the ATM as well. That can be done. So that I have figured out how to do it, but there would be some restrictions that we have to make it work within a range of 400 points. If Nifty moves more than 400 points, then we have to refresh the indicator and it will start again. So something like that, 300 to 400 points if Nifty is there. So we don't have to change the ATM. The ATM will change automatically. Okay, so that's the thing. Like I've figured out how to do it. So I'll release that in the next update, and then after that, like all the permutation and combinations, everything. So I'll have to think about how to get it, like how to automate the whole thing. So for now, even the broker terminal, so what they have is like through webhook, but that I don't feel is like automated. Like what happens is like even on TradingView, the only Indian broker that you see on TradingView, like they have collaborated with TradingView, so is the Dhan platform. But what happens is Dhan or any other algo platform also, if you want to automate your trades from TradingView, so what happens, you have to go through webhook URLs. But there the main problem is that you have to keep the strategy or whatever you want to push, uh, so that you have to keep it ready there. So like the thing is that suppose you have kept a strategy which will sell. Now you can do it like this, that if there is some sell signal which is more than 5, then it will sell that, like short that stock or that index. So that strategy will get activated. So those things now you can do, like to automate the trades. But with every let's say sell signal or the buy signal, if you want to take a trade, automate the trade, so then we have like then you have to create so many strategies and put like uh, but again, like if for this signal, how do you know that which strategy to run? So suppose you have put three uh, short, I mean, you want to short and you have put three strategies to short. Okay, so now with this same strike price, same HFT, like if the signal is generated, all the three will get executed. So that's why, like, I don't feel that that is totally automated. That is also kind of semi-automated. So full automation, we have to think about it. Like that will be another part. Like, and yes, if we want to put the full algo on the brokers platform, I don't know. Maybe we can do that. But again, what I have seen is that through brokers API, I have taken the data and also I have put this same indicator, like the same algo. And what happens is there, like the, I mean, not everywhere, but somewhere, like I've seen that we are getting different signals. So like you would say that the same data, NSE data, is coming everywhere, so how can we get different signals? So I mean, you haven't tasted through, I mean, you haven't, like, then you have to dive deeper into the data. So you'll see many changes, like on different platforms you will have many changes. So we'll see how to fully automate it, but for now, again, as I said, like if you want, you can automate the thing, like I mean, with a webhook URL, or again, webhook URL, for that you need the premium account in TradingView. So again, if you don't have premium, if you have basic plan, then I think there is another platform which is called Algobaba, but I think they charge something for their services. So they have built some plugin which can, uh, I think, track the signals. So I think they basically that reads the screen. So it scrapes the screen, I think. So okay. So yes, Ronak has built one indicator called option lengths. So okay, let's see. Just give me a minute. So okay, so here is the indicator. uh, uh, yeah, option length. So let's see. So I've seen like while he was building I was there, so I know like so but let's put it like 25, let's put it as 150 now. And strike interval, number of strikes, let's put it 4 or 5 6 25 21 08. Mm, 25, will this be 08 and that be 21? Yeah, so this is the indicator. Yes, yes, yes. So you can add it on your charts as well, like if you want. So it's free, like it's free to all. So so the thing is that yes, as Avinash was asking how to use these as well. So if you are not even a high frequency trader also, so you can keep this and see you are getting the sell signal. So and also M5 you are getting the put buying signal. So you can wait for the sell signal to come in, or maybe a slight fall to come in. Yeah, hi. So big call writing happened because the sell signal is 9. So like this you can also do like, so because you can select like if you want the strength which is greater than or equals to 5 6 7 8 9 or whatever, so you can keep that. And whenever like let's say sell signal greater than or equals to 8 appears, so your strategy will get triggered, or buy signal greater than equals to 8 or 9 or whichever you feel comfortable with, so your strategy will get triggered. So those type of automations is now possible with TradingView and all these various algo platforms. Okay, so yeah, so okay, his observation is sell by strength calculated according to the writing volume. Oh, sell by strength is calculated according to, yes, like the light red and the light green. So whatever is amount, so like according to that, it basically tries to mostly figure out the big sharks, because there could be smaller sharks or bigger sharks. So it basically tries to figure out whichever is the bigger shark. That means who is putting a more bigger bet. Yeah, so what Ronak is saying, like if the color suddenly changes, so then it's a good to go like thing with his indicator. Try out stock for algo automation. Is it decent? So I haven't tried out personally. So that is what I'm saying. I think there are another name is Algo Baba or something. So that is that. So as I said, like here put buying happened. So you can expect a like some fall like, but it depends. Like today you know that market is consolidating very in a narrow range. So you don't expect a very heavy fall. But again, no one can say anything about the stock market. Anything can happen. But we all like go with probability. That probability is high that we can expect a shortfall because market is consolidating, and that's what is happening right there. So like this, you can deploy your strategy on that stocks or Stockso or any other platform. I think there is another one like by Saket, I think Fin Target or something. So they also have the same plan. Like you can initiate your strategies using these signals from the trading view, and then again you can also put a closing, like your trades will get triggered, will close according to some condition from the trading view, or you can also keep some other condition or trail the profits also. So there are many things like with which you can also currently, whatever scenario we are in, you can still like automate your things. Like because if you're an office goer, so like, or maybe you can just like keep your alerts, like if there is a sell signal more than 9 with strength more than 8 or 9, so then you get the alert. Trade Tron, okay. Yes, so all these, what I said is like you have to first of all create your strategy. Okay, so that strategy will get triggered with the signals. Okay, so that is what the current scenario is. It's not like with every signal, like my algo will just simply take trades, and I don't have to every day put strategies and all these webhook URLs or connect the strategies with the similar messages on like they have coded message so that the algo understands whether what signal is it coming, like whether it's a sell or a buy and or whatever. So all those you have to manually set, and then like when the signal appears it will auto trigger and it will start, and also you can put ending condition also. So that is how the thing is now. Or talking about automation, it's not like you just start your algo and you go away and it does its job. So that is what we are looking finally. Like for now, those type of automation you can do. So even in a boring market like today, so there also like you can still survive like by scraping like maybe less, but again, I mean you can easily fetch two. I mean for a scalper 2 to 3 points or maybe like 5 points also. So uh, yes, coming to your point. So this was like one. 176 CR. This was a good amount. So that's why the signal strength was 9. So this was 176 CR. How to get more information? For more information, just check out the description of this video. Or else let me also share. So in short, if you just want to know what this indicator is, just check out the from where the video starts, check out the first 5 minutes. And for the rest, like, check out the past live streams. So if you come to the YouTube channel, there is a section called live, so just go and check out the past live stream. So, and if you want to know more about the indicator, how to use it, check out the links in the description. Okay, so Ronak, I'm removing the option lens. So I've told everyone, so maybe if someone is interested, they can add it because it's free out there. So anyways, so the thing is here, like on a boring day also, you can scalp a lot of points. Like here we saw, I was clearly saying that call buying is happening. I'd said twice here call buying is happening. So you can expect a sudden move or something. So, and it all started here. Model 1 also gave the buy signal perfectly. Yes, and how is IIMC going? Yes, and Ronak, definitely let me know, like, if you get hold of Bloomberg terminal. So actually in IIM Kolkata, like, they have Bloomberg terminal. So I haven't like seen the terminal. So maybe like. So how to subscribe for this is like, so you can, okay, so this is my X profile, and so you can, like, you have the link here of the website, and once you go to the website, so like these are the 3 plans given. So all the plan contains the same, every indicator is included in every plan, so there is no difference. The only difference is higher plans you select, the more you save, and nothing else. Okay, so it's nothing like you get this, like this indicator in this plan and not in the other plan. So it's nothing like that. So every indicator that you see on the charts, currently you're seeing on the charts, so you have access to, you get access to it in every plan. So, and all you have to do is like click on buy and check out, and once you do that, like, you will be added right away. Yes, I mean there will be pressure. So great. Yes, I'm sending the link there also. Okay, bye Ronak. Yeah, so here is the link. So all these works are on basically like my thoughts about HFTs, inspired by the like after the Jane Streets came and how they manipulated our market. So Yeah, cash market sentiment was negative. Like, yes, yes. Cash market sentiment was negative, but the thing is that the HFTs, like they are high frequency. So, like yesterday, if you saw, like, so how to use the cash market sentiment is to get the overall what is happening here. So, even you are going long, so you can see that like the cash market sentiment is negative. So that means like, I mean, even if the push comes, so might be not that much upward, because even like if it went up, and you can very well see like it's not that much of heavy cash buying. But yesterday, I like, as you saw, like, look at this region yesterday, so it was like you can very well understand that heavy cash buying was going on. So these are the kind of ways where you can use the cash market sentiment indicator. So as I told, like, cash market is very difficult to track, because options, you have several data points: volume, price. Why unable to open link? Let me just check. So here's the link. Let me just click it. Oh, sorry. I think no. So no, just click on the link, and what is it showing? Like, it's yeah, it's opening. Like, I just opened it from my other computer. Just check. Let me know if you're still not able to open it. But try it out from your mobile. Like, I think sometimes like some office Wi-Fi or something, they block any other site. So just try it out from your mobile connection. Yeah, might be if you are using VPN or something, so it might not work. So just simply like try it out from your mobile connection or something. Yeah, so the 176 CR worked out nicely. Like, Can you try it out from your mobile or somewhere? Like, don't know what is let me just check this. Yeah, I don't know what's the problem. Like, I'm just checking it here, so it's saying that the site is up, like it's working. Yeah, check from another side. It's working, so it should open. So, so let me show you on the screen. So these are the available options. Like you can see, like on the screen right now. Or you can like text me on WhatsApp, so I'll send you all the details. So you can text me on WhatsApp. So whatever details you need, I'll send you there. Yeah, anyways, yes, market is like that was the like I think today's highest call writing. This was trend 7, so this was also about 173 CR. So and this was another like 176 CR. So again, like if you come here and see again some call buyers are there. So from M5. Yeah, so yeah, so the indicator works on every like FNO, all the FNO stocks and indices. So here are all the details. So those who are new here. Again, the left hand side, be very careful. The it's high frequency, very high frequency. Okay, so be careful about that. So the mostly that the one we follow is the model one, which is currently you can see on the right hand side. But for the left hand side, be careful. Again, you saw the call buyers, and now it's pumping. So if you look very closely here, the call buying here, 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 and then pump. Even in this HFT model also you saw like very high frequency model also you saw the buying. So to run the model one, you don't require any like it runs on any basic free account. Okay, so to run the very high frequency models and M1 model, so for that you need like the premium plan on TradingView. So for those who are new here, so whatever like you are checking out like this model 1, so all these buy sell signals, so that works on any trading view account, any free trading view account. Yes, sorry. Only for these type of very high frequency you need a premium plan, otherwise it works on like this model, the primary model, it works on any free trading view account, any account. And the thing is that like the like as you see the indicator performing more and more, so you get a, I mean there is a reliability factor, so your confidence increases, and you know that everything is based on data points, and that's why like even like if you go wrong, then also you I mean it's not like totally gambling or kind of thing, so you are going based on data points and everything. So and you can see the accuracy also, like it's not that today or something I'm showing and every day I'm showing every day, like, and for the past few days I've also posted the full analysis like in video format like this, and then the previous days also like this, so you can go every day and check out like, so there's nothing to hide or anything, or the indicator doesn't repaint also, whatever it paints it stays there, no repainting until unless you change the ATM or something. So until unless the data point changes, so I mean it's still the same, the it doesn't repaint. Again, if you look closely, some call buyers are again here. That is with respect to model 5. So again, like as someone was saying from the cash market sentiment. So here you saw, even if it went up, so you saw the cash market sentiment, there wasn't that much of cash that was being put from the cash market sentiment, and it again like slowed down. Okay, so like I showed you an example, like yesterday, just see, like we were live also at during that time, so you easily get the difference, like when someone big is, when smart money is buying in the cash or not, so you get a clear view. And also like yesterday, yes, I forgot to say, like yesterday, do you remember like when we were live at the very end, just right at the very end, there were some big put writers, and today we opened a huge gap up. I mean, those who missed it, like you can go and check out yesterday's live stream. Just go and check out the very last, like the last 5 to 10 minutes. You will see. Like suddenly at the very end, we got those. Suddenly, a huge put writing happened. And it's all real time, so again, if you are following any platform where you see the OI, so OI consists of all the players position, and it doesn't tell you whether those are like, call OI doesn't tell you whether call buying or call writing has happened from the smart money section, and it's not real time, so every 3 minutes you get OI data. So this is absolute real time. Yes, even like Mr. Punendu like took the membership yesterday, so he told me that he would observe for some days and then he would like go for some trades with it. So I think like yesterday he saw the performance and today like he saw the performance and then like decided to go with it today itself. Okay. So again, like if you're afraid of BTAST, so like it, within intraday itself, like every day you are like this is capturing reversals from almost top or bottom. Sometimes exact top or bottom, but again, let's say almost top or bottom, it's catching reversals and not only like one or two, it's able to catch many reversals every day. So that's why you don't have to worry about overnight and like take 10 like you have to worry about overnight and about your position and everything. So you so better like intraday you have so many several opportunities and you can grab those very easily. Call buying is going on and almost like it's going to be 3 p.m. so be careful. I mean call buying is going on in model 5. Oh, that's great. Nice to hear that. Yeah, so the thing is that you get a perfect entry or something, and even like if the charts do not bend or something, so it starts going in your opposite direction. So just close them because you know that next opportunity will be there. So what happens is that when you think from your mind and take out any opportunity from the chart and do some reading and everything, so uh, even if market goes against it, you, I mean, it's like, I mean, you take it on your ego or something like that, like, and you keep the position on because you have like full confidence on your analysis or something, or you feel that like you might not get another chance. But here you are getting like too many chances, like, so that's why once it doesn't, like, if suppose it backfires, just simply close it. Like, again, it's not any recommendation or anything, so it's like basically discussing strategies how a trader can go about. So again, because I mean, every day you can see you are getting several opportunities, not just once, twice, or something. Several opportunities you are getting. So that's why you don't have to worry about like if one of them backfires or something. 1 minute to 3 p.m. 5 seconds to 3 p.m. 3 p.m. moves usually happened like earlier, so nowadays there is no 3 p.m. move actually. So high probability is upward. So let's see. I mean, 6 months back we used to have 6 to 8 months back we used to have all those 3 p.m. move. Nowadays there is nothing like that anymore. Yeah, like there are call buying going on. So like, so shorted puts. Let's see, 25 100 at 8.5. No. Also, you get all the support and resistance levels also. So these are dynamic. So again, guys, at least for this one, like in today's boring market, you are getting such reversal right from the top. So at least please don't forget to put a like at least. I mean, so less number of likes today. I don't know why. So suppose like even if you are a buyer, like you want to scalp, so like go next expiry or maybe in the money, like go 25,050 or 25,000. Like if you want to scalp through call buying or something, or maybe put buying, then go in the money. At the money are risky, like. Yeah, shorted at 13 as well, like the put side. There should be some decrease in premium on the put side as well. Yeah, so please don't forget to put a like. That's the. No, I think this is. No, it will work. It will work. Like sometimes it takes a little bit of time to decay. If this level is crossed, so then I'll have to close it. Okay. Yeah, so you can't do anything like expiry days. So, but again, like this one was like, I mean, suppose if even it hits your SL here, so but this one, like here you got put buying, and also in M1 you got a heavy call writing. So this was the best one. Yeah, cash market was negative. But again, like small moves might not, like you might not get it from the cash market. So yes, so this one worked very well, like this one. And even like here also we got this buying signal. Even in here also call buying was happening. So there were many signals. So one, like as I said, like you cannot have something in the stock market which will work 100% of the time. So yes, like I have done put writing according to them and still waiting for the decay. But I don't think I'll be. I'll wait for some more time. Sometimes it, like at the very end the decay comes. I'm still like I have written puts and still waiting. So if this level by the HFT was taken down, then I would have closed. So that's why I'm still waiting, because Yeah, so like it matters what happens at the end. Like out of 10 times, if it works like 7 to 8 times, it's a very good setup. And I think sometimes it works 100% of the times. Yeah, for 3 p.m. like call buyers, like it's mostly risky. Like not call buyers, like option buyers, it's usually risky. Like especially during the expiry days. Yeah, so that's what the thing is like. The risk management is needed. Sometimes some people come and say that like you should be a billionaire because every day there is some opportunity coming where you get 2x or something. So it's not like you just put all your eggs in the same basket. If that somehow backfires, your portfolio would be gone. Yeah, but I've seen like on expiry days they close and then again they start from Friday onwards. Like In model 1 there was no significant position after this one. So you can see the last 1 hour in model 1, so call writing, and look at the put writing amount. There's a huge difference. Let's also have a look what is happening in the next expiry, the monthly one. So it's 28. Next, in the monthly one, there was selling in model 1. today on the only one, like today's 3 p.m. move backfired. So, anyways, like so 2584 around that it's going to end. Yeah, so I mean, as I said, like big institutions also make a loss, so it's nothing new. So, anyways, like, but again, if you follow them closely, like overall, like there's a high probability that overall you, you will be leaving profitable. Yeah, so expiry day 3 p.m. So, like, might be someone was trying to manipulate here, but they failed. So yes, it did happen that some big guys were there here. They were buying calls, but I think it backfired. I mean, look at this one. Like they bought puts here, nicely went down. They bought calls here, nicely went up. Again here some put buying was happening here, right here. Again down. Here, right here, call buying went up. Look at the M5, like the results. I mean, you will be really shocked. Like that is the only one. Like so, I mean, if we just like today, just forget about this one. Like let's look at through M5. So here, if you see morning put writing, okay. So went up finally. So one. This was the call writing right at the top, though did not fall much, but still like the down move was there. So twice, this one put buying down thrice, okay, and here there were some put buying and some call buying, but very less. So let's leave them. Fourth time went up, fifth time went down, sixth time went down. Seventh time, let's say it failed. Eighth time went up, perfect. Here big put writing went down, put buying went down. So 8, then 9, and then 10. So out of 10 times it failed twice. Here the 3 p.m. and this one. The other one we looked at here, this one. So again, that's the thing, like out of 10 times, if your setup is working 80% or more than that, some days, like as like Mr. Prasad said, like he rarely saw like M5 losing. So some days it works 100%, like 10 out of 10 times you might get. I mean, let's just look at Bank Nifty with respect to the M5. So sorry, where is Bank Nifty. So if we stop this, so again here some put writing or and call buying, okay, perfectly went up once. Call writing went down twice. When this call writing was happening, I said it in the group also, like I posted it in the group also, that in M5 call writing is happening in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. It was happening. Went down twice, and this was a nice opportunity. And then this was the next opportunity right there, 3 times perfectly, like it went up. And here again, like again here also there was some put buying, if you see. Okay, so in Bank Nifty also we got the signal like once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. So out of 5, once it did not work. So like the accuracy is like good. So I mean, with that accuracy you have a really good setup. So like in every one of them, even if you get 10 points also, so let's say you capture 80 points and 2 times you lose, so you lose 10 points. So even after that also you are left with 60 points. Yes, because M5 gives you, like rarely gives you signal, so you can easily automate with M5. But what happens is like with M5, like here, so like frequently the signal comes. So as a human, you wait for the charts to bend. So what you can do there is like you can use some EMA or something to let the like EMA or SMA 9 or something to let the algo understand the charts have started bending or something. So yeah, this is the final condition in Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty. So okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's expiry. So and yeah, so again, if you want the indicator, so you can go to the website and subscribe for it. And if you subscribe today, so your membership starts from tomorrow, but you get access to it today itself, and so that you can test it overnight and before going live tomorrow. And yeah, so thanks for coming, and I hope you enjoyed the live stream. And don't forget to put a like if you think the indicator is worth it. So see you in the next one, guys. Have a nice day.